Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to use the Sweatcoin app, a fantastic way to get rewarded just for walking. If you've ever wondered how to turn your steps into earnings, stick around and I'll tell you how. Let's get started. Sweatcoin is an app that tracks your steps and converts them into a digital currency called Sweatcoins. You can use these Sweatcoins to redeem rewards or even cash. Here's how to get started. First, you need to download and install the Sweatcoin app. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store if you're using an Android. Search for Sweatcoin and tap Install or Get. Once installed, open the app. When you open the app, you'll need to create an account. You can sign up using your email address or through your Facebook or Google account. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. To accurately track your steps, the app needs to access your phone's motion sensors. Allow the app to access your physical activity data. On iOS, go to Settings, then Privacy, and select Motion and Fitness. Ensure that fitness tracking is enabled and that Sweatcoin has permission. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Sweatcoin, and ensure that it has the necessary permissions. Once set up, you'll see the app's main interface. The home screen displays your total number of Sweatcoins, your daily steps, and various reward options. You'll also find an activity feed showing recent activities and offers. Next, track your steps. Sweatcoin automatically tracks your steps as long as the app is running in the background. You don't need to manually input anything. Just go about your day as usual and the app will record your steps. Make sure to keep the app open or running in the background for accurate tracking. Next, explore rewards. Sweatcoins can be redeemed for various rewards, including gift cards, products, or even cash. Tap on the Shop or Reward section to explore the available options. You can browse through different categories and see how many Sweatcoins are required for each reward. There are often limited time offers and special deals available, so check back regularly. Next, redeem rewards. Once you've accumulated enough Sweatcoins, you can redeem for rewards. Select the reward you want to redeem and follow the instructions to complete the process. For digital rewards, like gift cards, you'll receive a code or link. For physical items, you might need to provide a shipping address. Next, monitor your progress. Keep an eye on your progress and daily goals to maximize your earnings. The app provides insights into your walking patterns and progress towards goals. You can set personal goals and tracking your improvement over time. Engage with the community. Sweatcoin also has a social aspect where you can connect with friends. Invite friends to join Sweatcoin and see how you can compare with others. Sometimes, there are community challenges or bonus opportunities for engaging with the Sweatcoin community. And lastly, troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. Ensure that the app has permission to access your physical activity data. Next, restart the app if it's not tracking your steps correctly. And lastly, check for app updates to make sure you're using the latest version. And that's how you use Sweatcoin app to get paid just for walking. We hope this guide helps you start earning and with every step you take. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.